going to a rich people's graveyard. We need some money for some cigarettes. Oh, we need buses. Alright, where's my cane when I need it? Hey! You do not have permission to be in here. Okay? Finger scan. So you get it? Go. You are incomplete. I don't think so. Let's go rob a grave now and get some money for some cigarettes. Wait, we need the lighter. Oh my! Let's go.